Have you ever looked at an Angular app and thought, how does everything just click together? How do services magically appear in components without a single line of manual setup? The answer is dependency injection, a superpower built into Angular that makes sharing logic and data across your app seamless. Stick around, because in just 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how it works and why it's a game changer for your code. Dependency injection is a design pattern that allows a component to ask for what it needs rather than creating it manually. It simplifies dependency management and makes testing easier. Example, instead of creating a service manually, DI allows Angular to provide the instance when it's needed. Why dependency injection? Keeps components loosely coupled, promotes reusability, makes testing easier. Let's quickly understand how DI works in Angular. 3 key parts are involved. Dependency, the actual service or class to inject into the component. Injector, a container that resolves and provides dependencies. Provider, a configuration that tells Angular how to create an instance of a service. Angular's dependency injection system is like a smart delivery service for your app's logic. From global access to module-specific services, or even down to a single component, Angular's DI lets you scope your services with precision. In this video, we'll explore the 3 main levels of service injection in Angular: root injection, module-level injection, and component-level injection. This is the data service we'll use as an example. Notice the injectable within provided set to root. This tells Angular to make this service available to the entire application automatically. In the component, we declare the dependency in the constructor like this: private data service, data service. Angular looks at the type data service and resolves it using the injector. This instance is injected automatically at runtime, and we can use its methods like fetch data. Next, we have module-level injection, where services are scoped to a specific Angular module. To set this up, instead of using provided in, root, you register your service in the providers array of a module. Here, the product service instance is available only to components declared in the app module. This is perfect when you want a service to be used only in a specific feature or functional area of your app. Finally, we have component-level injection, where a service is scoped to a single component and its child components. To set this up, add the service to the providers array of the component's decorator. In this case, Angular creates a new instance of product service for this component and its descendants. This means the service is isolated, giving you fine-grained control over its behavior. That wraps up our quick explanation of Angular's dependency injection. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more